I'm Tim Anderson. I'm the musical director for this production, this revival of Denise and Katya. I'm a conductor. But this is a very unusual project for me because it is basically computer operated. As a music director, I'm doing all the same things in this production that I would as a conductor, but without actually taking control of the sense of time, the movement, the tempi. All of that is controlled by the computer. What I do is try to knit that together with the drama, try to encourage performances out of the singers and the musicians. We tell stories, basically. We try and find that within this very rigid framework of the technology.
The students told me that Katya had problems at home.
It's a strange thing to surrender your, well, not all of your input, but certainly your in the moment, in the performance, I'm not there. The consolation, I suppose, is that the piece couldn't exist without this technology. They do such a specific thing, which is really a kind of marvel of architecture that they have managed to piece together a piece in a way that a human simply couldn't do. The kind of gradual acceleration through the piece, all these kind of sudden changes are things which a human conductor just can't do.